See the fountains down there, burning fireplace, and then we've got this balcony with no corners. How cool is that? Oh my gosh. What's going on, guys? It's Payton Fisher. On this channel we talk all things construction and real estate. We are out at the Parade of Homes 2022 and we are at 3653 South Cypress Point Road. This is a 6,734 square foot house, 6 bedrooms, 7.5 bathrooms. It's on 2 floors. It has 4 garage spaces, and let me turn you around here so you can see it. This looks absolutely massive from the outside. It just keeps going and going and going and going. There is so much glass on the front of this house. It is truly incredible. All right, as we come in, I'm gonna sneak behind this door right here. A little bit of privacy, just massive door. But as we go through it and just look, the ceilings are just absolutely massive. It just keeps going and going and going. Now let's go upstairs first. So these stairs have grip tape on them to hold you on, which is nice. Excuse me. I believe this would be the master. And these light fixtures are awesome. I don't know how much actual light they put up, but because of the amount of windows in here everywhere, it's just so bright. It is epic. This house is incredible. See the fountains down there, burning fireplace. That's really cool. The hot tub is black and the pool is blue. And it literally just keeps going. So we go into the master. Holy cow, these tiles are massive on the floor. Probably 24 by 36 at least. In the morning when you're getting ready, there's your views. These showers are massive. Oh, sorry.
I would like to clean that thing.
This would be cold in there when you're taking a shower.
Yeah.
All right, inside here. Okay. One of my new favorite lights right there. Super cool. Okay, yes, this is becoming mandatory in any master bedroom. It's the washer and dryer. So it looks like hers, and then he probably gets this little spot to the side. So her spot, and we turn his closet. So just massive.
We'd have to shower with friends if we had.
Hello. Good, how are you doing?
Good.
It's a beautiful home.
It is pretty, isn't it?
So my guess is that is weight bearing. They open up that whole wall there and they have this really cool something. I don't know what those are. Glass all along the wall to give that texture all the way up. Super cool. And then as we come down through the kitchen, glass, 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 and more glass. So awesome. And these tiles are, oh my gosh, they're huge. They're 48 by 48. Oh no, there's a seam. Those tiles are huge. Let's go check out over here what we've got. Looks like a bedroom down here. Oops, sorry. Like a much smaller bedroom. Walk-in closet though. Beautiful tile on the floor yet again. Different smaller tiles, but still beautiful. Oh man, the uniqueness of the tile colors are really cool. I wish they had the light bar underneath of that, so it would make that shine even more. I love the sink. Oh, it is a double vanity right there. You got two sinks, heads, thingies. All right, next bedroom. So we've got bedroom, really cool wall there. You got your closet there. And then it looks like this is a shared bathroom with the hallway out there. They can also come use this, and I love this, but then you do lose your cabinet space down below. However, there's a vent down there that's blowing up warm or cold air, which is nice. And then they've got the double-headed shower in here that allows you to go 2 different directions. And this is probably some of the coolest marble or stone that I've seen in any house. Absolutely incredible. And we've got, nice washer and dryer downstairs. Really cool. The laundry rooms have been you never know what you're going to get in one of these laundry rooms. The nice chevron tile. And it seems like each wall has some really cool patterns on it, which are really awesome. And this one has an exit out onto the patio, which is nice. You come to the left here, you've got your corner closet. Fun fans. Uh-oh, we're running out of memory.
That's pretty smart.
Into the shower here, up to the ceiling. 2 different colors of tile, which is really cool. And then they've got the workout room. Oh, cool. Okay. Nice Peloton bike. Big mirrors. This is just absolutely incredible back here. We haven't even went on that side of the house yet. Just keeps going and going. All of these open up completely. Those open up completely. They've got full mister system across the top there. Got your outdoor island and TV. Outdoor bathroom in here. Oh, looks like they're not quite finished with that guy. Got your outdoor bathroom with the really fun tile, and oh man, texture of these things are just awesome. All right, now this is the other side of the house. Whoa, that is cool. Black tile for inside of the shower. Looks like they've got the rain heads on the top. That is really cool. And the washer and dryer. Okay, so I think I'm in the Casita now then. That would make sense. Oops, sorry.
You're fine.
And they cut in these lights. That is really cool. That's awesome.
I like the wood backsplash. That's good. Thanks, Dana.
Looks really nice there. As we come out from the other side here, you come up and around. They have a huge big play area up here, and then on the deck over here, as if one hot tub wasn't enough, this is the second hot tub for the other party guests. And then when we come down here, we've got the full putting green, and there is your exterior views. as we come out, we've got the single car, the double car, and then as we come into the other garage, just so you can kind of see, this is really deep on this side. Oh, sorry. And then we've got one more single, so we've got a 4-car garage.
There you go. Have a good day.
And then we've got the big, deeper car garage here. So this whole side is garage space. All right, let me know what you guys thought of this place. It was probably one of my favorites last year or the year before. That was a Parade of Homes. These homes are absolutely amazing. They're massive. Are they practical? I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Sorry, this is a little bit more shaky. My camera just ran out of an SD card, so we're gonna get a new one. Head to the next one. See you guys on the next video.